All right, today is June 11th, 2016. Yep, we are in Colo-I-Suva with me, Maddie, and Mr. John Courtwright.
Hello, hello.
Another Peace Corps volunteer in Suva. So today is an absolutely gorgeous day. We wanted to take advantage of it as best as we could by going to the rainforest here in Suva. It's called Colo-I-Suva, so you'll be able to see a little bit what it looks like over here. This is just the beginning of the walk. There will be different pools to swim in and waterfalls. It's supposed to be really, really beautiful. So enjoy. All right, so we've been walking for about 20 minutes and we are now at where the trail officially begins of where we're gonna do it. So right here is the map of this forest. So you can see here, we'll start where we are right here. So we're gonna do this way. We're gonna walk up this red path right here and past some pools. And when we go up the pools, there's either we go left to Suva Falls, and then you walk, and you come out back where the parking lot is. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these upper pools, we're gonna make a right at this wooden bridge that's here, come up, then make a left before the lower pools, and then take the big Dakua trail and lead it all the way through. So I'm thinking it should take I would say about maybe 2 hours and some change from right now, so we got plenty of time. It's a gorgeous day, like you can see. It's just absolutely beautiful. So we're here at the first little falls.
Did I do my
About 10 minutes into the walk. Really nice. Alright, so we've been walking for some time now, and 7 days, 7 nights. We are... Yeah. The trail, one of the guys told us when we started, was a little bit beat up from Cyclone Winston. So now you can kind of tell by what's on the ground, the trees.
And if you see here, you'll make out the gorilla footprint.
Yep. That's the gorilla. You see it right there? There's a gorilla right there.
The blue-footed booby gorilla.
Blue-footed booby gorilla. We have our own gorilla-ist here. Gorilla-ist. Yeah, it is. Yes, yeah, it is to anything. And you're proper.
Bullshitist.
Yeah, bullshitist. Cokerist.
I think it's probably from the... Oh, there's little slugs on there. See? Say hello to the slug.
Oh wow, look at that. There's slugs all on that. They're just slugging around.
Where?
See? Right there?
Oh yeah.
Little slug guys. Oh yeah, so this is a pretty physical hike right here that we're at now. And you can see that I am totally prepared with my almost 2-year-old Tevas that are duct taped together, which, accounting in that on an average day I'm walking about 7 miles a day, I have to give it up to Teva. They made one incredible product, so shout out to Teva Vinaka. Back to the trail. Alright, so we finished the first walk and we decided to do a turnaround and hit the first falls. And it's absolutely beautiful down here. The temperature has dropped significantly because of the shade and just, I'm guessing, the sun being broken from the trees. But here, take a look at this.
Hi there.
Alright, so we just went to the top of that trail with the falls, and here we are at the lookout point that they have. It's pretty beautiful.
Hikers, fanny packs, way to go here, people.
Yeah, words of advice for sure.
We're talking to the two fanny pack experts. We know our fanny.
Chulo. You guys got to do Colo-I-Suva if you're in Fiji. It's a must to do. We're done. We just finished the back. You can see right here is the trail. There's some houses. We ended up taking us about 3 hours and 15 minutes, so it's pretty good timing. It was really beautiful and the day's still nice. Great time.